Hey there, folks. Welcome to today's exciting video where we'll dive into the fascinating world of sneezing. You know, that sudden burst of air that tickles our nose and surprises us at the most unexpected moments. So, why do we sneeze, and are there any hidden benefits behind this marvelous reflex? Let's find out. First things first, let's understand why we sneeze. Our noses have a built-in defense mechanism to keep us safe from harmful invaders like dust, pollen, or irritating particles. When these pesky intruders enter our nasal passages, specialized cells send an alarm signal to our brain. Our brain processes this signal, and the message is sent back to our respiratory system, telling it to clear out those unwelcome guests. This triggers a chain reaction of muscles working together to expel the irritants and give us relief. Achoo! There goes a sneeze. Did you know that sneezes can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? It's like a mini explosion from our nose. But don't worry, it's perfectly normal and a good thing for our bodies. Now, let's talk about the benefits of sneezing. Besides clearing out those pesky particles, sneezing also helps keep our airways healthy and functioning optimally. It prevents these invaders from reaching further into our respiratory system, reducing the risk of infections and illnesses. But sneezing isn't just about health, it also brings us closer as humans. You know that bless you phrase you hear after a sneeze? Well, it started in ancient times when people believed a sneeze expelled evil spirits. Nowadays, it's become a gesture of kindness and care, reminding us of our social bonds and the importance of looking out for one another. Remember, it's essential to let nature take its course when we sneeze. Covering our mouth with a tissue or our elbow is a great way to keep the surroundings clean, but don't suppress the sneeze altogether. Our body knows what it's doing, and sneezing is its way of protecting us. Who knew this reflex could be so fascinating and full of benefits? So next time you hear someone sneeze, remember, it's nature's way of keeping us healthy and connected. Stay curious, stay kind, and embrace the wonders of the human body. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and happy sneezing.